Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Dad Technologies. My name is Evan, and today we are going to, we're going to do an out-of-box review of...
my gaming chair!
Let's hit the intro. So we're doing the review of the Winmer gaming chair, and my wife ordered it, and the tracking is actually saying that it's supposed to be arriving on Thursday. It is currently Tuesday. What is that?
It's better for Christmas. Well, they didn't leave any room for movement, that's for sure. Alright. Base. With only 3 of the 2 edges covered. Who needs all 3 anyway? Or all 5, I can count. Okay, so we got the base. I don't know where to put this, but we have room. We did not account for this. This is the footrest. Comes with. Nice. There you go. Alright. Back of the chair. Alright. Put that just right there. Okay. Ah. The ever-present instructions. Jeebus. Alright, those will be useful in a little bit. Okay. Oh, that's because that's all of it. Okay. I was wondering why one side felt a lot looser than the other. That makes sense. Alright, so we got the base, the seat. Hopefully it's long enough. Looks long enough. Alright. I'm assuming this is all the nuts and bolts. We'll get to that in a second. We got wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have all 5. We have the headrest. The lumbar support, which is the smallest pillow on the face of the planet, but sometimes you don't need a whole lot. Plastic coverings, loose screws, which is always great. Alright. Hardware. More hardware. Alright, I will put that on this side so it doesn't scratch up the leather. This looks like armwear hardware. Put that off in a second. I had scissors with me. And then the other arm. And then the box, I'm assuming super high quality cardboard. Oh, this is the piston. So, is that a plastic sleeve?
Is that it?
Okay. I think that's it. Looks like it.
Alright, should we start building?
Let's build.
Alright.
She goes, thank you for the new chair. I appreciate it. Now be gone, human. Don't get my chair all hairy. Lumbar support pillow. That helps.
You could always put this and put that there, so if you didn't want to have your legs completely crossed, you'd be able to go out with it.
I don't know, I'll have to see once we break it in. I mean, like, this part, like, the seat part is actually really long. So if you're tall, like, that helps you a lot.
Yeah.
But I'm really short.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm short, so I'm used to working in tall people's worlds. So, like, the quickie is a little annoying, but there's nothing you can do about that. So, I mean, like, the armrest adjusts to kind of where you need to. A little bit lower, like, than I think you would. It's almost like I need to be, like, an inch taller than I am to fit comfortably on this chair. I'm 5'2", so still, like, average person height.
Yeah.
Hold on, give him, my pillow. I don't know how this is supposed to go on. Oh, it's supposed to, like, thread through the back, isn't it? In case anybody's wondering. If it gets better the lower you go. Honestly, it does. Like here's good. It's a great lounger. It's not bad. We'll have to see what happens when we sit up. We're like, I'll work on it for a day. See what happens. So.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching this episode of Dad Technologies. We had tons of fun building this gaming chair, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it too. I was also able to introduce my wife onto my Dad Technologies channel, so if you liked this video, please smash that like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and if you enjoy my content, please subscribe. Thank you.